Welcome back to my channel. I'll be making this beautiful two-colored scrunchie. All the materials I used are listed in the description below. I will be using two different color yarn. You might need more depending on the size of your scrunchie. So we will need scissors, a darning needle, also a 3.5mm hook, and of course a hair tie. Okay, so we will start by doing a slip knot. And we will insert our hook. So now we will place the hook inside of the hair tie. We are going to pull through the yarn and we will be doing 40 single crochet around the hair tie. The tail of the yarn, we want to make sure that it is secured. We don't want to leave any out, so we will do our single crochet around the tail of the yarn as we tuck it neatly inside of the hair tie. So 40 single crochets will cover the entire hair tie. Now we are at the end. We are going to do a slip stitch to secure this round. Then we're going to chain 2 and we're going to insert 2 double crochet in that same chain as the 2 chains we just did. So 2 double crochet in that same chain. And we will continue by doing 2 double crochets in each chain in this round. We are now at the end of this round. I will now be changing the color of the yarn. I will insert my hook into the double crochet. I will get the other color yarn. I will put the tail of the yarn behind my hook. Then I will yarn over my hook, then pull through. Then I will insert my hook in the top, at the top of the stitch. Then I will pull through and do a slip stitch. I will now pull through that previous yarn. Then chain 2. I will now cut the yarn I no longer need. for this round, we are going to do 2 double crochet in that chain 2 space. So the same space we did our 2 chains, we will do 2 double crochet. And for the rest of this round, we will do 3 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. We are now forming the ruffles for our scrunchie. The more double crochet you do in one chain is the more dramatic your ruffles will be. We are now at the end of this round. We will insert our hook at the top of this stitch, and we will now do a slip stitch to close this round. Alright, so chain 3. We will be doing the same as we did in the last round. 3 double crochet in each chain space. I will be doing half of each color on this round. I will show you in a bit how I will achieve this look. So 2 double crochet in the 3 chain space we did earlier, then 3 double crochet in each chain space. So here I did half of this round with a dark blue, and I will now change the yarn color to do the other half. So I will again insert into this double crochet. This time it will be a little different because we are not joining the round, we will be continuing on the round. So now I will get my other color. So I will place the tail of the yarn behind the hook. Now so here I am going to yarn over my hook, then pull through. Then I will yarn over again and insert in the next chain and do a double crochet. Don't worry about how loose it looks, just pull the ends, and this is what we got. So we will continue to do 3 double crochet in each chain until this round is completed. And also, changing the yarn color in the middle of the round is absolutely optional. You can continue the round with the color you started with. Okay, we are at the end of the last round. We are now going to attach doing a slip stitch. So insert our hook at the top of the stitch, then we are going to pull through, and we're going to chain one and cut our yarn. I will not be cutting my yarn too short because I want to weave in the ends. So here I have my darning needle. I will now attach my yarn and then pull through. So I will now make sure that I am weaving in the direction of the same color that is left out. I am now securing the ends. And you want to tie the end another time or one more time to make sure it is well secured before cutting your yarn. For the other yarn that's left out, or the other ends, I will tie them together really tight and cut. Don't worry, this will not pull apart and it is seamless. So here we have our scrunchie, very beautiful. I hope you enjoyed making the scrunchie with me. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.